guys, happy Sunday. It's the 30th of December. We just attended church. Of course, social distancing was practiced. Here's Jaden. Say hi,
Hi
Jaden.
guys, I'll make 1,000 million likes and my mom will get 1,000 million followers.
And here's my hubby.
Like this video because and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe to my channel. It's Mommy May Boholana in
Please
Texas.
subscribe, my mom needs
And I have also a Facebook page. So we're about to arrive home, and then I'm just gonna change, and then we're gonna go eat out. So we're here at home now. You see my garden, and I'm gonna get out of the car. Let's get out of the car.
Don't change your clothes.
Gonna check out my garden during the day. Look. Good thing we don't have what is this, the home association. That way I can just do my garden like this. I'm the only one who has a little flower garden in front of my house, if you can see in my neighborhood. So yeah, nobody can tell me what to do in my front yard. Here are my snake plants. This is my husband's work truck. That's my son's car. That's our family van. And then my hanging plants. Look, it's blooming. I call this part my ICU because this is where I plant my propagation. And look, there's a lot of them already getting alive. My front door. Rubber tree. My hanging plant outdoor. And I'm gonna go inside. This is our family car for out of town. This is our garage. It's full of stuff. The boxes for the Christmas decorations are toilet paper and paper towel. And look, I made this sign at the beginning of Corona. This is our washing area. And we're home. Christmas tree. I'm gonna turn on the light. Lagi, mag-ilis na ko. Lagi, I'm gonna change because we're gonna eat out. Alright, this is it, guys. My nativity, my Belen. Jaden, cover your mouth when you sneeze. Bye, guys. Thank you all for subscribing. Please like and subscribe my join my 10 subscribers. And thank you all for watching.